Our condition is we want to see separately how many visitors click this button from the home page and how many visitors click on the button from the shop page. We have a button with the text claim your discount now on our website on the home page and shop page. If we click this button from home page and shop page, it redirects to us the discount shopping page from the both page home and shop. Our condition is we want to see separately how many visitors click this button from the home page and how many visitors click on the button from the shop page. But the shop page button and home page button is same, and the buttons click text, click URL, click ID and click classes are also the same. Let's see how we can distinguish click from the home page and from the shop page and send them to GA4. Navigate to Google Tag Manager. First, we create a configuration tag to connect GA4 with our website. That's why move on tag, new tag configuration, Google Analytics, then select Google tag, paste here GA4 measurement ID. To get the measurement ID, we will move our GA4 account admin data stream, then click on container. Here our measurement ID, copy this back to Google Tag Manager and paste here. Since the GA4 measurement ID is constant and does not change, we create a constant variable so that don't have to copy and paste it repeatedly. Click on plus icon, again plus icon, variable configuration is called a bit and select constant. Paste here measurement ID that we get from our GA4 account. Then name the variable. Then save. Move on configuration setting. Add parameter. Type here send. Select send underscore page underscore view and value should be true. For sure, all the letters here will be lowercase. Let's name the tag. Triggering initialization all page as well. Then save. Move on variables, built-in variables. Then configure. Enable all of clicks variable. Then move on triggers, new trigger configuration and save these two triggers all elements and just link. Now we go to preview, enter here website URL, then connect. Let's click the button on the home page, then move on Google Tag Manager and continue. After clicking the home page button, we get the event link. Click move on variables. Here we see click classes claim discount button, click ID claim discount, click text claim your discount now, and page path slash. Now let's click the button on the shop page. Back to Google Tag Manager preview. Here we see from shop page button, click link, click event and variables, click classes claim discount button, click ID claim discount, click text claim your discount now, and page path slash shop slash. Here we see that click classes, click ID and click text are same. If we use this to create a trigger, then clicking any button on the home page or shop page, tag will be fired. But we want to see separately home page and shop page. How many clicks from the home page and how many clicks from the shop page. That's why we create a trigger using the path, because these paths are different. Different page path separate tags will fire accordingly. Back to Google Tag Manager, triggers, new, trigger configuration, and select just link. For this reason, our button backend has a link. Then some links, variable curly braces, page path equals. Back to Google Tag Manager preview and copy home page button, click page path and paste here. Then name the trigger, then save. Same way for shop page triggers, new, trigger configuration, just link, some link clicks, page path equals. Back to Google Tag Manager preview and shop page button, click link event and copy shop page path, then paste here, name the trigger, save. Now we create tags, new, tag configuration, Google Analytics GA4 event and select GA4 measurement ID variable that we previously created, then event name and selecting trigger that we created for home page button, click, then name the tag, then save. Same way for shop page, let's copy this tag, customize the tag name, also event name, then customize the triggering. Select this trigger that we created for shop page button, click, then save. It's time to check our tag trigger work properly or not. Let's go to preview, continue, move on our website, click on the home page button, back to Google Tag Manager preview. Here we see our home page button, click tag fired, but the shop page button, click tag not fired. Let's back to our website and click on shop page button. Back to Google Tag Manager preview mode. Here we see also our shop page button tag fired. Now let's check if J4 data is being received properly and click on home page button event. It's done. Also check shop page. It also done. We also check for J4 debug view. For this, go to J4 account, then admin. Under the data display, go to debug view. Also here everything is fine and we are happy with our work. Let's back to Google Tag Manager and submit our work. Name the version, then publish. Our all setup done.